The syllabary song line structure is a little bit different from the syllabary layout structure. So that first line, the ah line, ah, a, e, o, u, has 6 syllables, but the song is 7 syllables long. So there's a disconnect between the structure of the syllabic system laid out and then the syllables of the song. So the song lines do not match the syllabary rows, but the syllabary song goes by syllabary rows. So you're singing row by row, but the song lines and the syllabary rows don't match exactly. The first row, the vowel sound row, the ah row, has 6 syllables, but the song continues into the ga row because it has 7 syllables. Ah, a, e, o, u, ga. So each line of the syllabary song is 7 syllables long. There are 12 lines for the 84 syllables. The 12 lines are organized into 4 verses. First a verse of 4 lines, and then a verse of 2 lines. And line 1 rises, and the other lines fall. So you have ah, a, e, o, u, ga for the first rising line. And let's listen to Ginali Shamshini Nole Dinio singing this song.
Shogo, ta, so. A, E, O, U, ga.
The first line rising there. The second line is falling. Ka, ge, gi, go, gu, ga, ha. Again, it's extending across the lines of the rows of the syllabary into the ha line here. So we can listen to Ginali Shamshini and the children again.
Ka, ge, gi, go, gu, ga, ha.
So descending now for the next 3 lines. Line 1 rising, line 2, 3, and 4 falling lines. Hey, he, ho, hu, ha, la, lay.
Hey, he, ho, hu, ha, la, lay.
And song verse 1, line number 4, still falling. Lilo, lula, ma, me, me. And then the song resets for a shorter verse of just 2 lines. So we're going to go back to song line 1 structure. Mo, mu, na, ne, ni, no.
Mo, mu, na, ne, ni, no.
And then we're going to get that second falling line for this stanza, or this verse. Nu, na, gua, gue, gui, guo, gu.
Nu, na, gua, gue, gui, guo, gu.
And then we're going to go to song verse 3, which is going to have 4 lines, just like the first verse. Line 1 rising, and then the next 3 lines falling. Gua, sha, say, si, so, su.
Gua, sha, she, si, xiao, shu.
And then the 3 falling lines. Sha, da, ta, de, te, di, ti.
Sha, da, ta, de, te, di, ti.
Line 3 falling. Do, do, da, la, cla, cle, clee.
Do, do, da, cla, cla, cle, clee.
And line 4, the end of the verse, falling again. lo, lu, la, da, de, zi, do.
Lo, lu, la, da, de, zi, do.
And then the song, kind of resets again. And we go to song verse 4, the final verse. Line 1 is the rising line, and line 2 is the falling line. Do, da, wa, way, wee, wo, woo. And then it has that twinkle, twinkle, little star format.
Do, da, wa, way, wee, wo, woo.
And the final line to the ya, last syllable, falling. Wa, ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ya.
Wa, ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ya.
And then we just have clapping at the end of the song instead of like something, now I know my syllabary. I guess we should work on getting that in. Well, thanks for watching today. I hope you learned the song, and I look forward to hearing you sing it.